Today is October 8th. I'm sitting here with Lee. Lee, could you briefly introduce yourself and where we are at now?
Yeah, hi, my name is Lee Nichols, and I'm in Germany right now at the Nichols Rehabilitation Center, and I'll be here for 2 weeks. I opted to take a 2-week package to stay here.
What made you come to Germany, and what did you do? What kind of treatment did you get here?
Well, my original decision was my back was bad, and I flew to London and spoke with the London specialist, who basically told me that to stop doing sports, and when my back got really bad, then I would have to have a fusion surgery, which I didn't want to do. I wanted to avoid fusion at all costs. And then I started doing some research online, and I found ONZ and the team at ONZ, and they offered a replacement disc surgery, which still allows the mobility of the spine, which is something that I definitely wanted to prefer rather than fusion.
And who operated you? Who performed the surgery on you?
So I had Dr. Thomas Bierstedt, who, when I did my research, both the surgeons at ONZ are very experienced in this type of surgery. So that was a key thing for me. I wanted an experienced surgeon who had done this kind of operation many, many times. And Thomas Bierstedt is one of the most experienced surgeons in the world at this type of surgery.
When did you have your surgery performed, and how do you rate the experience you had around the surgery and the surgery itself and the post-surgical stay at the hospital?
Yeah, I had the surgery on the 28th of September, and the team in the hospital were fantastic. All the team provided by ONZ and plus the hospital staff as well, absolutely fantastic. It made me feel very comfortable and very confident of the process I was about to go through.
And now, today is October 8th, surgery was about 10 days ago. How do you feel already? Can you determine a difference already between your time before surgery and now? How's your recuperation process so far?
Yeah, I mean, the big thing is that the back pain I had before is gone. So that's the key thing. Obviously, you've just been through quite a big surgery, so you're going to feel some pain and some discomfort. But overall, the key thing for me is that the back pain that I had before has gone, and I'm just going through the process now of my body recovering, which obviously will take some time. But yeah, I feel fairly comfortable. I'm walking around. I was walking day 2 after surgery, so this as well gives me obviously great relief and great confidence in the process that I've been through.
Now we are at the Nichols, as you said initially. How do you find the concept of being at a hospital first and then being transferred to rehabilitation? Do you find it very intensive? Do you find it well organized? Is there a lot of attention you get in here?
Yeah, the level of attention is fantastic. You see a doctor every day here, as well as all the physio staff. So you go through, I mean, it's very German, it's very process driven. You've got a timetable every day of where you need to be and what time, and you just go through exactly day by day what you need to go through. But it is intensive, but I think that's what your body needs after a big operation. But again, you're in safe hands. You go through the process with every different station here at Nichols, and yeah, day by day you start feeling better and your body starts working easier.
Yeah, you're saying day by day. So how do you look into the future? Are you optimistic and confident that this was the right decision for you, and that this surgery and the post-surgical process gets you back, say, on track?
Yeah, for me, I'm somebody that's loved doing sports over the years, and when I was told by the London specialist that I would have to stop doing sports, this was enough to nearly make me cry. So to be able to go back to doing sports, obviously there's going to be some recovery time, 3 to 6 months, but after this, to be able to go back to doing sports and the things that I enjoy doing, especially enjoy doing with my children, this is great news. Fantastic.
And now, would you share your experience with others who are looking into this, or is that something you would recommend to others?
I would definitely recommend it. If somebody's got damaged spine and damaged discs, definitely I'd recommend looking at an alternative to fusion surgery. And something like replacement disc surgery, I think, is the better alternative. So for me, anybody who's fairly young still and wants to live an active life, this is definitely the better alternative to fusion surgery.
Thank you so much, Lee, and I, of course, wish you to, we all of ONZ wish you to return back to a much more active lifestyle and keep being juvenile and naughty, say, in a certain way. I mean, being sportive, and it's too early to be in a recliner chair. What do you think about that?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I still consider myself far too young to be sitting down and relaxing in life. So I still want to have an active lifestyle, and that's what the replacement disc surgery will give me.
Thanks so much for this interview.
Thank you.